I'm going to go over the steps to assemble the Casulo pressure washer. The holster for the spray gun slides onto a tab on the side of the unit. The handle with the hose reel slides onto the tabs on the top of the body. You attach it from the back with 2 Phillips head screws. Remove the cap over the threaded pipe and attach the high pressure hose. Turn the nut clockwise. Push the lance onto the spray gun and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Depress the button on the handle and insert the high pressure hose. Release the button to lock it in place. The nozzles connect by pulling back on the collar on the spray gun.